Today we're going to do a quick unboxing of the personal cellspot from T-Mobile. I request this device through T-Mobile. They charge $25 for the down deposit. Also, they charge me the shipping, which is $8.18. You can always ask them to waive it if you've been with them long enough. No guarantee, but that's what I have experienced. Knowing me, I'm always on the bounty hunter or deal hunter in this case. So basically, here's the sticker. Nothing on the box. And T-Mobile. And here's all the information that I won't share. And we're about to open this the first time. Okay. We are going to do a professional unboxing. Just kidding. We're not professional. We're illiterate. So I had a phone right here that tells me all my signal strength. Mine is 109. Means pretty bad. You want this to between 96 or below it. Anything like 100 like that high, it's no good. This, as you can tell, this one is from Mint. I don't mean to share you guys that number because I changed number like I changed a girlfriend, you know. So that's kind of funny. But still, don't call this number because you ain't gonna get a hold of me because I'm not special. I'm just a normal human being that, you know, doing stuff. Alright, let's get to it. I'm gonna put you up a little bit more higher so I don't keep bumping into it. Alright, this is good enough. I got mess up there. Alright, this way you guys can see. Alright, this is the box. Over here you have instructions. From what I know, this takes about 2 hours to set up. A lot of people tell me about it, so I'm hoping. I recently got 200 meg internet. I hope the download will be a little bit faster. So I will keep this instruction and keep that. Many guys, you ask, well, you have you got a video about Sprint device too, like Sprint cellspot as well. Why would you need a T-Mobile? Well, that is a good question. Because Sprint does not really currently using the T-Mobile band, I can't really use it with T-Mobile. I do have T-Mobile with voice, which is on Mint, and that's what I'm gonna try it out. And I have a dated only under myself as well. So dated and call. So this is the device. It says personal cellspot, LTE cellspot. Again, it's just telling you this thing nobody else reads, not even me. Alright, we're gonna open this. Alright, here's your Ethernet, LAN, reset, and power. GPS go here, and your stand goes right there. So we're gonna put that in the side. This reminds me of giant antenna. So yep, and there we go. Alright, box goes on the ground. Of course, I'll clean it up later. We'll see about that. Always say that, but never do it. Over here is your antenna. You more likely will need it, so don't lose it. Here's your stand. Depends where you want to put it. I might mount on the wall just so less mess on the ground. This is another part to it. So this just to like kind of have enough off the wall. So that's that. Over here is your standard power supply of 12 volt. Right there, 12 volt 2 amp. I got many of these Ethernet, but I'll use it since they include it. There's no point not to. So there you go. And that's basically that. All right. Oh, look what they include. Mounting. That's cool. All right, we'll do that. We'll use that since they include it. Might as well, right? All right. So basically, that's what all the unbox entail is the device itself and that. And I will try my best to do a review about this device. Hopefully future on. So, but that's basically it for now. And I will talk to you guys next time whenever I see you all. Bye. Subscribe for more.